Hey guys, Catch Me Off-Road channel back again. Sorry this video is starting off a little weird because it was kind of last minute. I had a couple hours in the afternoon today where I didn't really have much to do at work. I'm working from home, so I figured I would try to run to the exhaust shop and get the two race bullets welded in place of my stock mufflers in the back of the truck. The shop closes at 4:30. It's currently 2:45. And I'm about 40 minutes away, so I'm kind of scooting along here trying to get to the shop in time. Last time they did, it's called Father and Son, I believe, Auto Mechanic or Muffler. I'll take a video of the sign when I get there, but they were super helpful when I did my brother's Charger Scat Pack. They got in and out. They did the exact same mod on his car, and it was done in 30 to 45 minutes. So the truck is even more open and easily accessible, so I'm hoping it'll take even less time. But that's the plan. I haven't even called them to see if they're busy or not. I'm just kind of hoping I show up and everything works out. It is Detroit after all. Sometimes things work out, sometimes they don't. So once I get there, I will film a little bit and show you guys what they're doing. But unfortunately, I won't have a before and after clip just because I'm in a hurry right now, unless things don't work out, and then you probably won't even see this video actually. But anyway, I'll get back to you as soon as I get there. Hey guys, we're here at Father and Son Muffler in Detroit, Michigan. They're the same people who did my brother's Charger, and we have the truck up on a lift. They snuck me right in. No delay at all, very happy to work on it. So I'll get some videos once it's done. I don't want to get in their way right now while they're cutting and welding. But we'll give you a startup video after they're done and some drive-by stuff. Alright guys, the pipes are done. This is what they look like, really beautiful welding job. They had to make some small extensions right here that you can see. And those are the race bolts, look how small they are. The stock pipes are down there, they're a lot bigger. Those are the stock mufflers. So with those gone and these in, I'm calling it a weight save too. That's the main reason. Yeah, right. But my cutouts are still in here. I was talking to the guys about cutting them out and getting rid of them. They said just buy the plug kits, you know, the triangle adapters. So I might end up doing that or just bringing it back sometime, we'll see. But yeah, we'll get it on the ground and start it up for you guys. Let everyone hear it. Here's the first startup. Alright guys, you just heard the first startup of the TRX. Sorry, they were trying to close up the shop, so I didn't want to keep them late and sit there and do some revs and film and everything, so I'll do that at another point. But I'm on my way home now. I have a meeting I need to call into in about 10 minutes, so figured I'd just give you a quick update on the road. Honestly, the noise is not super different than factory from the inside. Outside it's a little louder, but on the inside, you know, on a scale of 1 to 10, if the stock exhaust was like a 5, this would probably be a 6 maybe. It's not much louder in here. Let me floor it just for a second, even though there's traffic. I can hear the tone has changed a little. It got deeper, throatier in the back. You can hear it sounds like a deep tone now, whereas before it was more high-pitched engine noise. So it did change a little bit, but not a whole lot. I'm not going to be able to tell a big difference with the windows up, cruising down the highway. Honestly, the tires noise is what I hear 90% of right now. It's mostly just the big off-road tires on here. You can hear a little bit of engine hum, a little bit of exhaust hum, but not it's drowned out by the tires. So hopefully I'll get an outside view of it this weekend when I get time to film. I need someone else to help me film, you know. I can't drive and film outside at the same time. So once I do some off-roading this weekend, I'll try to get some on the trails, some footage on the trails. So the next video when I post off-road updates or my off-roading video, just check that out for the exhaust sound. I realized I didn't show the boxes that the parts came in, or at least not very well. So I will either post the part number in the comments or in the description, or somewhere in the comments if someone asks me first, whichever one happens first. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and thanks for watching this video. Yeah, and I never ask people to subscribe because I don't want you to subscribe if you're not into what I'm posting. But I do ask if you can either like or dislike the video so I know what to post more or less of. If I see a bunch of thumbs down on this video, I'll know not to post this kind of stuff anymore. So it does help me. Not that I'm trying to get more followers or anything. I'm a pretty small channel, but just let me know what you like. Or in the comments, just let me know what you like seeing more of. so I can kind of cater to those needs. All right, thanks guys. Catch me off road out here.